More Maryland congressional leaders and lawyers are concerned about the growing legal implications in this case.
And Dennis Flair joining us now in the studio with their takeaway on this. Dennis.
Rick and Nikki, the biggest concern is the lack of due process in Abrego Garcia's case and its ripple effect not only with non-citizens, but with U.S. citizens as well. Now, the Trump administration is committing to not bringing back Abrego Garcia. We could be seeing more Congress members going to El Salvador as well.
Senator Chris Van Hollen had an early start Wednesday to head down to El Salvador. So far, he's met with El Salvador's vice president. He's hoping to meet with more government leaders, check in on Kilmar Abrego Garcia, and bring him home to Maryland. Van Hollen says he couldn't get a straight answer on release.
I said I'm not asking him to smuggle Mr. Abrego Garcia into the United States. I'm simply asking him to open the door of CCOT and let this innocent man walk out.
Abrego Garcia has been in El Salvador's terrorism confinement center for nearly a month. As the fight to bring him back intensifies, Representative Jamie Raskin and two legal experts discussed takeaways in the case, particularly the lack of due process for Abrego Garcia, concerned of how this could extend to U.S. citizens and other legal residents.
Without due process, anything can happen to anybody under a government that is willing to act in arbitrary and political and subversive ways.
The Trump administration has branded Abrego Garcia an MS-13 gang member, but he has no criminal record, and he was granted withholding of removal in 2019. Despite court orders to facilitate his return, U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi stressed Wednesday President Trump plans to keep Abrego Garcia in El Salvador.
He is not coming back to our country. President Bukele said he was not sending him back. That's the end of the story. If he wanted to send him back, we would give him a plane ride back.
David Leopold, legal advisor for America's Voice, says the Trump administration could be held in contempt down the line. But even if that doesn't happen, he says misconduct violations could be cited.
Attorneys who walk into courtrooms and make representations to courts, they got to do their homework, and they can't walk in there and speak untruths.
Besides pressure from the courts, Raskin hinted there could be added pressure from other members of Congress, not ruling out more visits to El Salvador.
I'm hopeful that these initial visits will bring him back. And if not, I'm very open to looking at what we need to do in the future to bring him back.
Now, Representative Andy Harris, Maryland's sole Republican lawmaker in Congress, has called Van Hollen's efforts to go and bring Abrego Garcia back shameful on social media. Back to you.